Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here. Feel free to subscribe at youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy because Bill will show you how to.
Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here, and this is how to install a deadbolt. First thing you're going to want to do is get you a little deadbolt. Hold on. Get your deadbolt piece that looks like this, and often it'll say up, so I'm going to put the up part. It says up, so just stick that in your door. Once you get that in there, you're going to want to screw that in. Make sure it gets good and down there because you don't want this sticking out. It would affect your ability to close your door. Get that good and tight. Make sure your door closes. After you do that, next step you're going to want to do is get your thing here. I'm getting it. You know what you're going to want to do is, of course, your door knob doesn't have the keyhole. It's going to go on the inside of the door. And then your other thing that has the key hole is going to go on the outside of the door. So position that through, put it on the outside of the door. And then on the inside, and once you get it lined up, you'll notice that these screws go in. Now what I did, and it made it easier, put the part that says lock up, and then I made sure the top of the keyhole was facing up on the opposing side of the door, and that made everything line up. Because otherwise it's a game of chance. You want to make sure this is tight. You don't want to over tighten and damage your door. There you have it. That's how to install a deadbolt lock. You see it's got a keyhole on the outside and a little latch on the inside. What I recommend doing is spraying this with a lubricant such as WD-40, and then take it in and out a few times. And that just makes it function in a lot smoother fashion, as you can see. So that's how to install a deadbolt lock. Be sure to subscribe to youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy and enjoy all of Bill the How-To Guy's how-to videos. Share this video with others. Y'all have a good day.